Hey guys, welcome to this brand new channel that hopefully will be useful to you and other creators as well. So in today's episode, we will be talking about the most used video editing software by professionals and beginners alike. You might have already guessed it, it is the well-known Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is industry-leading video editing software for film, TV, and for the web as well. Using its creative tools, integration with other apps and services, and the power of Adobe can help you craft footage into polished films and videos. And with Creative Rush, you can create and edit new projects for any device. Premiere Pro is part of numerous Adobe applications including in the Creative Cloud, such as Photoshop, After Effects, InDesign, Illustrator, and many more, which became industry standard software in many fields. Big brands and production studios trust Premiere Pro to do their job. It has been used to edit feature films such as Deadpool, Gone Girl, Terminator, Dark Fate and Monsters, and many other venues as well. For example, CNN was an early adopter of this software. Also in 2007, certain BBC departments adopted it as well. Adobe Premiere Pro offers a variety of tools that lets its users unleash their creativity and do more than just basic video editing. They can fine-tune their audio, adjust the colors, and do more to create professional-looking videos. This software is integrated with Adobe products that lets its users transfer their work from one software to another so they can edit and use their finished videos whenever needed. This simply means that they can work smoothly and create an appealing and creative product. Premiere Pro is intuitive yet complex, simple yet technical, easy yet difficult, depending on your needs. Whether a beginner video editor or seasoned pro, Premiere Pro should be everyone's go-to for video editing. The ability to customize keyboard shortcuts is especially useful if you have gained experience using other software like Avid Media Composer or Final Cut Pro X, for example. You can easily set up your favorite shortcuts and start working without relearning any new keyboard combinations. Premiere Pro is user-friendly. There are many audio and visual effects available, and you can have the advantage of setting up different workflows based on what you are editing. Its architecture is what enables the software to scale effectively beyond a single workstation to edit in work groups or even enterprise-wide. Even in small work groups, users need to share media and understand where the projects are in a life cycle. And these are some of the elements available in Premiere Pro's workflow. Its tools are designed to enable the workflow to differ from other software by exploiting some of the integration options that Adobe has made available. For example, Edit Mate from Vidispine makes use of panels in Premiere Pro. This enables users to collaborate and search, manage, also deliver media directly within Premiere Pro. Edit Mate also offers a web browser interface for all users outside of the software to provide full access for the repository. Thus, the Edit Mate web browser user interface becomes the perfect front end. Also, non-Premiere users such as producers and customers will be able to collaborate with Adobe Premiere Pro editors. When it comes to video effects and transitions, you can use effects to correct color and brightness. However, they can also be used to add animation, produce overlays, and create green screen effects. When you want to edit effects, you go to the Effects workspace, which is made up of Effect Control Panels, Program Monitor, and the Effects panel. The Effects panel is where you can find all the effects. The Effects Control Panel is where you will configure the effects. Finally, the Program Monitor is where you can preview the effects that you add. To add an effect to a clip, drag the effect from the Effects panel onto the clip on the timeline. Transitions are an integral part of the editor's post-production arsenal. They can really separate the good from the great, and you want to have something that fits with the style of using transitions. When using transitions in film, you usually use a simple cut, but if there is a poignant moment of the film or an episode, you may want to use a more complex transitions to emphasize the importance of the moment. The transitions can be used if there is a twist in the story or build up to an important moment. Applying a new transition in Premiere Pro is simple and straightforward. It is a drag and drop operation that only takes few seconds. Place the chosen transition between two clips and that's it. It is really easy. Along with video editing, Premiere Pro is good for sound and audio editing as well. This makes the software ideal for any creator with a need to edit sounds, especially into their films and movies. Fixing audio can be a very time-consuming task, although Premiere Pro tries to make it as easy as possible. Working with audio is very similar to working with video within Premiere Pro. Whenever you click on the audio within your workflow, the audio effects panel will appear. Here you can edit the volume levels and bypass, the channel volume and the panning. You can also right-click on the workflow and change the different effects. There are also many effects you can use within the library. This includes effects such as graphic equalizers, distortions, invert, and many more. To get started editing your audio, you can drag and drop the effects to the audio within your workflow. A window will appear that will allow you to edit the bass, tremble, and master gain. Ambient sounds and sound effects are usually layered on top of one another. This will allow you to have music in the background or maybe louder sound effects. You can actually edit sounds individually or drag and drop them directly from the projects. When you edit sounds individually, you can only take the part you need to drag and drop into the workflow. Overall, I think that Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the top editing software out there. It is always evolving and used by filmmakers across multiple industries. It is claimed to be one of the most widely used nonlinear editors out there. And the key reason for this is not only the creative capabilities of the software itself, but also the architecture of integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, as well as third-party services and applications. Premiere Pro has a great suite of video editing tools from cuts, transitions, texts, masks, color correction and styling, and even an extensive library of effects. Of course, we have other programs that specialize in specific areas, but Premiere Pro has a bit of each of them competently. Its ability to integrate with the rest of the Creative Cloud like After Effects and Photoshop is hugely beneficial. Creating storyboards in Photoshop, dropping the PSD files into After Effects, and linking those compositions to Premiere to keep them live gives you a lot of creative freedom in addition to saving time. Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the most used editing software out there for a reason. I hope this video made you want to try it and start making awesome professional edits using it starting today. And if you think there are better video editing programs than Premiere Pro, please let us know. If you have any suggestions on the program that you want to talk about in the future, leave us a comment down below and we will do our best to answer your question in the upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so you don't miss our future videos. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.